Good morning vlog. It is 9:15. I just finished my makeup, just reheated my dinner on the stove. I'm going to eat this for breakfast. Change my clothes for my ferry outfit. Very comfortable. I think the ferry ride is, I want to say around 2.5 hours or so, I think, to Santorini. And my hotel is going to drop me off to the ferry. So about 15 minutes to change my clothes, eat, and zip up my suitcase. I did pack last night, so I'm good to go. All my electronics are charged. I hope you guys enjoyed that little drone footage. It was kind of like a restricted area, so I only could fly it for a little bit, and it was super windy. But at least I got something. And my time is up in Mykonos. And I did a lot of shopping last night, so give this day in a life a thumbs up because we are heading to Santorini, which is my last island and adventure for my time in Greece. So we have 3 nights to explore. For the hotel owner for picking me up Big Island candies from my hometown, and then a thank you card that I wrote. Hey, goodbye room. The bed was really comfortable. I spent a lot of time on the day bed. Used the stove to heat up my leftovers. The beautiful patio, which I didn't get to sit, but I got a picture there. And the beautiful patio by Mykonos. Oh my goodness. Such a beautiful place. The hotel owner, she dropped me off. Now to wait, there's tons of people. Alright, there's the ferry. A few minutes late, but it's coming. And there's tons of tourists, so it's gonna be a packed journey for sure. First one. Alright. Alright, the most craziest island. Look at this. Wow. How crazy this is. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I'm done with the ferries. I just got off of the Fira bus stop and now I will walk to the hotel. We just talk about the terrain and the incline of what you have to deal with in Greece. Literally, you need to have patience with a big case. Oh my goodness. The reality of traveling in Greece. Oh my gosh. The incline, the rocky roads, not good for your case. And you have to be fit. All right, almost there. Here's the hotel. Wow, what an incline. I think we made it. Stairs. They're gonna bring my case up. All right. Here's my room. Wow. All right. hear my case coming. It was nice of them to bring the case up. So a little hotel walkthrough. Here's my bed. All right, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's see what the view looks like. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow. Take a look at this. Do you guys see this right now? Wow. Alright, quick little outfit change. Let's get lunch and then my COVID test. This is the outside of the hotel and literally you can just walk. Here we go. More stairs going up. Wow. Oh, made it. My goodness, take a look at this. I'm sitting in the sun, it feels nice. Fried zucchini, looks like with some tzatziki sauce. Let's try. This is like the most smallest piece of feta cheese I've seen served to me. Oh my goodness. Let's dig in. So good. Bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, cucumbers. Wow. And olive. Hi.
Good idea.
You wanna say hi to my YouTube channel?
Hello.
Hi. Oh, everybody gives me like the weirdest looks when I'm vlogging. So I put them on the spot and I'm like, do you want to say hi to the vlog? You keep looking at it. Then it makes people feel uncomfortable. They're like talking bad about me that I'm filming myself. I think YouTube is worldwide. Like, I don't know. Yeah, no comments. As usual, I'm the only one eating by myself. It doesn't bother me. Because you guys are hanging out with me and I got all this amazing food. The sky's blue, it's beautiful. So good. I think this is the first time I've ordered fried zucchini, like fries. Very good. This salad tastes really good as well. I want to say it's better than the one that I had in Athens. So good. It's good.
Everything good?
My goodness, I'm already full. Thank you. I'm already full from the zucchini and the Greek salad. I didn't even finish both of those dishes. And here's the calamari. So I think for the rest of my trip, I'm going to be careful on the way how I order, because I feel like if I get small plates like a salad or an appetizer, that's gonna fill me up. So I'm either gonna have to do one or the other, either a main dish or appetizers, and that's it, because this is too much food. And I've been like eating my leftovers for dinner, but let's dig in and see how the calamari tastes like fresh. Very good. The ferry ride from Mykonos to Santorini was crazy. The amount of tourists like going in and out of Santorini is crazy. Catching the bus was very easy to get on when I got off of the port. When I got onto the port off of the ferry, I was able to catch the local bus for €2. So if you are planning on coming to Santorini and want to do the bus system, you have to have cash because they didn't accept card, and preferably the correct change because towards the end they couldn't give change to people. But I was the first one onto the bus, got my luggage on the bottom, and then I got off at the first stop in Fira, and my hotel was quite near, but the problem is the cobblestone streets and then the incline, and having to push a heavy suitcase and walk up on the incline with the cobblestone streets. I mean, is not like, you need to be physically and mentally ready to do these inclines in this country. I feel it was the same way also for Athens, same thing. And then even in Mykonos, because I was staying on the top, I think maybe if you stayed in town you could get away with not doing any incline, but from what I can see, just sitting up here on a rooftop of the restaurant I'm eating at, it's the same thing. A lot of incline, a lot of stairs. So if you're not able to do a lot of walking or inclines or stairs, then Greece is not a country for you. I'm trying to think, like in the past countries I visited, if there's any other countries that I've been to that like there's lots of walking and incline and stairs, and I don't think so. I think this might be the top country. I mean, after walking around Athens for a full day, my calves and feet were just not happy. I think it's gonna be the same way too. This is, after I'm done eating, I'm gonna see if the clinic can take me earlier to get my COVID test out of the way, because my test is in an hour, so I wouldn't see why they wouldn't be able to take me early. And then I will have the rest of the day free. I do need to film Thursday's check-in, edit and upload that video today, so I'm gonna do a quick haul of sharing all of the things that I bought in my trip so far. And then tomorrow I'm checking out of this hotel and I'm going to be going up north, and I think I'm gonna do the bus system as well. I have to check to see where my hotel is from the bus stop, and I'm gonna go there early because I have a catamaran cruise tomorrow. So there's a lot going on, but I definitely wanted to stay one night in Fira just to kind of switch it up and be in a different part of the island and not just all 3 nights in the same part of the island. So this is my one night here. So I'm gonna do a lot of walking around, see what's going on, but I feel like I did all the shopping I could. Like, I got 3 dresses, I got jewelry, I got hanging art, I have a variety of things, and my magnets. So definitely we'll have to gonna get a Santorini magnet. So give this video a big thumbs up because I've been wanting to come to Santorini for a very long time, and the weather here is beautiful this time of the year. It is like coming towards the end of October and it's fairly nice, and I mean kind of windy, so definitely not the time where you can lay out and be out on the beach all day, but you can be out walking around in the sun and feel like you still have good weather. So I'm gonna finish up what I can. We're gonna take this to go and then we're gonna walk around. In the middle of watching my premiere, and my waiter gave me like some wine, but I told him I don't drink, so he ended up bringing this cute little dessert. How sweet. I think like traveling every day and commuting and being on a ferry and on a boat and a plane, and it's kind of catching up to me. And then now that I think I'm finally in Santorini, like, oh my goodness, I'm getting a little tired. Whoa, this is good. Alright, I'm gonna eat this and watch my premiere from Tanzania. Give this video a big thumbs up. That was my first meal on the island. That was good. I really like this place, and it's also super close to where I'm staying. My first dog sighting on the island. You're cute. Alright, we made it. Just finished doing my PCR test and nobody was in the clinic except me. It was 60 euros. You could pay by cash or card. And this was the first PCR test I've ever done since all of PCR tests where they swab my throat. Like, I've never had to do it by mouth. It's always been by nose in the States and Tanzania. I'm trying to think where else. Yeah, basically that's all the places I've been getting it. So that was interesting to have to open my mouth and get swabbed, but they said they should be getting the results back to me tonight, so let's see. But I got it done like at the 69-hour mark before my flight. So I have no plans today. I basically only have plans for tomorrow. So what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day is basically just walk around, look at the shops, take pictures. I do need to film Thursday's check-in before the sun goes down, and that's it. So that's my balcony up there. Take a look at the view. So pretty. Alright, time to walk around and see what's going on in Fira. Okay, trying to figure out which direction to go. And I think, I don't know, maybe this way. So many shops. Thank you. Alright guys, look, I just came across the sweetest, cutest bag shop and I got a purse for my grandma. I love it. The street of shops, places to eat, pretty things. Look at this. Hey, another street. Stairs. And more shops, and more stairs, and more shops. Oh my goodness. I think I will have dinner here tonight at Castro's. Wow, look at the view. Look at that. Wow. Take a look at all those stairs going all the way down, and there's actually donkeys. I guess if people want to pay, if they don't want to do the walk up, that's an option. It's so pretty. Just taking a moment. There's the donkeys bringing tourists back up. Poor thing, they gotta work. Alright, I think I'm gonna walk back to my hotel, film Thursday's check-in, grab some pictures from my balcony. So many jewelry stores in Greece. Look, they have the blue owls. Oh my goodness, blue and white. So pretty. Cutest gift shop. Take a look at this blue and white. Oh, you guys already know how I feel about blue and white. More jewelry stores, clothing stores. Wow. Let's see what kind of gelatos they have. What flavor to choose? Cappuccino.
First time here?
Yes. The thing about your islands is that you can get to islands by ferry here. You can put your car on the ferry. In Hawaii, we can't do that. Only by plane. Unfortunately.
Whole year, summer here.
Yes, you're right. You're right. Summer all year long.
Here, no.
There's seasons. Yeah, we don't have seasons. Summer all year long. Alright. I don't know how this always happens, but I got a gelato and a cone. So cheers to finally reaching to Santorini. Very good. Oh, let's check out the pool. I want to see what's going on. Anybody out here? Nobody wants to be out here. Wow. Take a look at that. vlog. It is 8:40 p.m. I ate my leftover lunch for dinner. It was a lot of food. I'm actually full. I showered. I have denim jeans on and I'm wearing a blouse that I packed and I never wore it. So we're gonna wear it tonight. I'll bring my denim jacket just in case I get cold. So I'm just gonna go outside, gonna walk around, see this part of the island at night. I'll grab dessert and a hot drink somewhere and then come back and then edit Thursday's check-in, which I just finished filming during sunset. And I'm going to kind of think about what I want to do tomorrow morning because I am checking out of this hotel and taking the bus up north to Ia, where I'm going to spend my last 2 nights here on the island. The hotel is so quiet. Stairs. The country of stairs and incline. A lot of steep hills. So cute. Alright, centrally located right on the caldera. Can literally walk out of the hotel and I'm surrounded around shops and restaurants. And of course, look at this gorgeous view. So pretty. I love how all along the water you have like literally a small little bar where you can sit down and have an amazing view. It's so pretty. Endless amount of shops, souvenir shops in this country, I do have to say. Wow, look at these stairs going down, but what about coming back up? Oh my goodness. And a 24-hour bakery, look at what they have. Look at this.
What do you want? Just coffee?
I'm going to get, wow.
Yes, thank you.
Alright, found a place in the bakery 24/7. Look at this, €2 for a hot drink. 2 sugars later, oh my goodness. Just brought this out and now I think I want one of these. This looks good. Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks amazing.
Where are you from?
Hawaii.
Huh?
Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Do you know where that is?
It's good. It's
Oh,
good.
yeah. Oh.
It's similar.
Wow.
Very good.
Right, and here, the cups.
How do you pronounce this?
Zvoronos.
Oh, okay. Wow. And you're open
24
24/7.
hours.
I love that.
We don't close.
Perfect. Okay, thank you.
Thank you too. Have a good night.
Yay! 24/7. Love that. Bye.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, look at this Santorini kitty. You're cute. You're so pretty. Look at your fur. I'm in the middle of editing and here's the dessert that I got at that bakery. I'm gonna have a few bites while I edit and then the rest I'll have for breakfast. Let's do a first impression. This dessert, whoa, it's definitely like, it's gonna make me want to drink a lot of water. It's sweet, light. This is a lot. This and my hot drink, €5.50. I'm glad I found a 24-hour bakery just in case I want to go there in the morning. And it's reasonably priced, like definitely reasonable than sitting in and ordering at a restaurant. Okay, time to edit.